Well, lady break, but my feet are freaking cold in the air. It's in the maybe 39, 42-ish. The water's 59. So I'm actually soaking my feet in the lake because it's actually a little warmer, warming my feet up. So far I haven't caught anything, which is sort of what I predicted, but oh well, I caught somebody's lost Texas rig worm bait. But anyways, onwards and upwards. Well, pretty choppy with all these water skiers. Hopefully they'll all go to bed soon. But you know what bass really love? Jet skis and like feet rockets or whatever that is over there. Merman. Whoa, I better watch all the waves. Woo! I'm just trying to get around these guys. Just because the sun's low, they may not see me. Well, I lost one because I couldn't see it. So that's crappy. I couldn't see where it was in the water at all. I need to do better with my light. It jumped and flipped the hook. Pretty. Sort of varying up my speed, see if that helps. I'm a little faster than I usually like to be. But it may just, with the single treble, give just enough wiggle. Oh! Boom, like that. Got one. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it. Don't lose it. I think he threw it. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Threw it. No. Did he throw it? Oh, he's still on. Still on here. Come on. Come on, guy. Oh, shit. It's a nice rainbow. Don't throw it. Come on. Oh, yes. I got him. Oh, I got him, I got him, I got him. Yes. Woo! God, he's beautiful. Look at him. Look at this. Amazing fish. Amazing fish. He actually has lost one of his fins. Or he's got something. Let's see if we can get him. Swim a little bit here. Well, here we are, Otter Creek Reservoir. I'm feeling better after getting over my little altitude sickness. I'm gonna try for some trout. I have never been here, but we'll see what happens. Well, there's a sign here that says Clear Lake Refuge, and I sort of want to check that out. So I'm gonna go down this road. Across these railroad tracks. Do a little adventure here. Maybe see what's happening. All right. Go see what's over here. Just a little side trip. I should be good on gas, hopefully. I bet nobody's taking a native Titan out here, but let's just do it. It's that kind of day. I'm not sure how much water's gotten down here. Here's the thing about Utah. There's lots of back roads and a lot of off-roading, but when it says trail, it's probably a trail. So, you know, just keep your wits about you. Keep track of where you're at. Just, you know, try and make good decisions. I'm not gonna go too far. Trailer's looking okay. Like that would be, to me, where you would have rock art. But I don't know what's up at the end of this, but I'm willing to take a little walk for. This rock looks better. Man, look for snakes, look for snakes. This would be terrible. Get a bit out here. Do I have another little baby? Come on. Oh, I got a baby again. Oh, it was the size of my lure. It was this huge. Oh boy. Born free. That was a whopping 4-inch smallmouth bass. It was a smallmouth bass. Well, I finally got one. Got one in here. Little guy, but it's better than nothing. Better than nothing. I don't even know if he's big enough to measure. Look how hungry he is. Come on now. Don't do that. Please be 12 inches. Please. No! Come on, Dinky. Look at that dink. Too small. Oh, well. Practice. Capture. 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 Okay. Alright, Mr. Dink. You can do all that. Tell you what, when you're cold, women's heated restrooms and This is the best. When you're fucking cold because it's snowing outside. This is like God's miracle. You know, if you're gonna get cold, you might as well warm up. So I've got a UV light here, and I've got a glow-in-the-dark grub that I've put on a jig that I'm gonna give it a whirl, see if I catch anything. I always wanted to try it. See that little red light here? So we'll see. We'll see if it works. Oh, well, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I tried to get up at 5. I mean, the sun hasn't quite come up. I just couldn't do it. Best intentions, but I am just not a morning person. I need a little pick-me-up. Nobody else has gotten up either here. No early birds out on the lake, so I don't feel so bad. Like, you know, you look out on the lake and there's 100 people out there. There's nobody out there. And it's good reason, because it's 33 degrees. And yeah. Well, I don't know. My intuition says go that side. So I think I'm gonna go that side and just troll along that edge over there. Yep. This just happened all of a sudden. Not good. Had a strike. Let's see how it goes if we get something to really hit us. I've got one. Did he lock himself up? Because I had it. This is a big fish. Unless he got on the bottom. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't break off. He's on something. He's on the edge of something. There's a fish on the other end. I don't want to break it off. Alright, I'm gonna let him. This sucks. I'm gonna let him try and work his way off of it himself, okay? Let's see. This is reverse. I'm trying to keep tension and reverse it off. Come on, dude. Shake off. Let's try to go this way. Maybe we could pull this way. Can we pull this way? Come on, buddy. Come on. Okay. Oh, did he get off? Did I get him? He's still freaking on here. And he's hooked on something. I literally had to uproot him. Look at this. I literally uprooted that fish. What the hell kind of fish is this? I have never, ever, ever caught whatever this is. This is what happens when you don't pay attention to what you're doing. Oh my God. How did I do this? How did I do that? What in the hell? Here we are at beautiful Sheep Creek. Let's see if we can catch a fishy or so. Do I have one? Got one. Something. Got something. Whoa! I do. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. What's the net? Come on. I got a smallie if I can get him in. Yes! I got him! Yay! I knew there had to be one here. Woo! Thank you, Smallie.